Hey guys, it is Tim and Shana from Punk Rope, and we're at Duarte Square near Canal Street, Tribeca, New York City, and we stumbled across this pretty awesome little, I'm gonna call it a playground. It's actually where we're teaching outdoor classes. Anyway, Shana's gonna do an improvisational jump using this 4-box square.
I believe it's for 4 square.
Yeah, oh yeah, it probably is for 4 square. Duh. And maybe another time we'll do the hopscotch court. But this is a fun thing to do, especially in the summer. You're outdoors, you come across a playground, and you see a square, or you see circles, or some other geometric shapes, and you just want to challenge yourself. So Shana's going to walk you through what she's going to do, and of course you could do whatever you feel like, but she is going to jump into the first box and then do straddles, side straddles, and we're just walking through it now, some basic jumps. And she's going to hop into the second box and do some one-legged jumping. Then she's going to move laterally and do skier. Okay, and then for the final box, now this is going counterclockwise, she's going to do high knees. Okay, and then ideally you would retrace your steps and go clockwise so that you have 2. Is that okay? Yeah, thumbs up.
I don't know if I can go clockwise.
All right, she's gonna try. I know she's more comfortable going counterclockwise, but for you folks at home, you're gonna want to go both ways so you don't bias yourself too much in one direction. Okay, and the idea is just come up with a combination of some different steps that present a challenge, whether it's a cardio challenge or coordination challenge or strength challenge. We're keeping it really simple for this video. So, okay.
We're doing X number of jumps in each.
Yeah, X number. What's the X?
Approximately 5.
Approximately 5. So
maybe more, maybe less.
We're gonna keep the volume low today because we have to teach a class in about 5 minutes. All right, so here we go. Ready, set, and go. Hopping forward for straddles. One leg hop, that's the left leg, that's the right leg. There's the lateral jump into skier. There's the backward jump into high knees. And that would be one complete circuit going counterclockwise. And now we're hopping in high knees, so retracing the steps. Skier for the second box, we're going clockwise now. No, one-legged jump, that's a little hard, coming from skier. And then straddles. Nice, and then you're out. And there's 2 complete circuits. So that was super fun, beautiful day. And you know, why not use what is presented to you? Lots of playgrounds in most places. So, you know, as long as you don't feel too awkward about it, I say go for it. Well guys, we'll come back with something similar maybe next week. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up, subscribe. If you have questions, jot them down in the comments below, and we will see you next time. All right, peace out.